kay Richard De Rosario, normal na dribble yun. Oh, hindi niya kaya kasi yung ano eh, yung textbook na dribble.
Normal yun.
Sa kanya normal yun.
Ito pinapatalbog ni Richard sa ulo siya bola.
Oo, pinapagapang pa sa braso niya. Here's Ron J. Swallowed up by the defense.
Ganon yung tira ni Richard.
Buenafe. Again, swallowed out. Buenafe. Wala pa rin. Everything but the goal for Ron J. Buenafe.
Ay, karagparin sa ng bata eh. Sayang nga lang.
James Yap will score off the glass. At lamang na muli ang Pure Food, 17-16.
Parang tinuruan ng veterano yung bata eh. Ganito yan, bata.
Madali lang yan.
Magagawa ko rin to.
Balang araw.
Balang araw.
Meantime, here's Buenafe over to Kalima, the top customer, and he will miss. Lanete with a rebound. Chico Lanete on the move. Lanete goes all the way. And the ball ends up with James Yap. 4-3. Yes, sir! Real press for James Yap. 5 straight points for the former MVP.
Eh, ngayon lang siya pumutok eh. Ngayon lang siya gumawa eh. Ng 5 straight points yun ang kanyang contribution sa Pure Food ngayon. 5 puntos.
Simonan, block from behind. 4-point lead para sa Giants. Yap, straight dragging. He got the ball. Pinasa, Simon, score!
Pure Foods is on a roll. 7 straight points for the Giants.
Ito nang mahirap eh. Pag yung double apostle ay nagtambala na. It's James and Peter.
Pagka narinig na ng Coca-Cola yung gospel ng dalawa.
Pag ganun yung kalaban eh, say your prayer.
Yeah.
8 seconds to go in the opening quarter. Ito na naman. Mark Pingris to Jonathan Salvador for 2. 9-0-1.
Ng Pure Foods closing the first quarter. Biglang namaga eh. No? Biglang naging 8 puntos ito eh.
1 second to go and di maunahan. Will miss. Pero malamang hindi rin counted yun. Kahit pumasok pa yun. What a run here. What a blitz by Pure Foods to end the opening quarter. James Yap for 3. Yes, sir. Part of that blistering attack. And then Pingris heads it over to Jonathan Salvador. And that closes out the quarter for Pure Food. So from a closely fought ball game, bigla lumayo ang Pure Food Coca-Cola. And for more on the Coca-Cola Tigers, here's Miyaka Lim.
Guys, alam niyo ba na usually sinasabi ng mga tao na they're just gonna do the usual thing during Christmas. Pero para kay Ron J. Buenafe, this year is very different. Dahil sabi nga niya, he had the best Christmas and New Year ever. At bakit naman hindi? Dahil after 80 long years, finally, nagsama na sila ng kanilang mga magulang. Dahil nga galing sila sa Japan. And what's good about this is that they're staying here for good now. And dahil dito sa big news na ito, panigurado daw, inspired daw siya all year round. Back to you guys.
Oh, in fact, yung kanyang ama ay nanood pa.
Nung game nila against Ginebra, in which si Buenafe ang naging hero doon.
Oh, nanood ko. I remember that ball game. So all the best to the Buenafe family. Meantime, Jonathan Salvador begins second quarter with a jumper. So patuloy pa rin, patuloy pa rin itong pananalasa ng Pure Food.
Alam mo, huling lumabang ito Coca-Cola 16-15 sa 3-point play nito sa Cesar Cati, and that was with 1 minute and 59 remaining sa first quarter.
So in less than 2 minutes, nagbago na simoy ng hangin
Yun na
dito.
nga eh. Nung inilabas si Asa Taulaba, doon nagkawindang-windang. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, crucial yun eh.
But that's, you have to bite the bullet on that. Alam ka namang buong laro mong hindi pagpapahingahin itong si Asi Taulaba.
Kumbaga, itong si Coach Vicky is hoping na kapag pinalatnan mo sa Asi, yung iba mag-step up din at hindi lalaylay.
Maitawid mo lang.
Maitawid mo lang habang nagpapahinga eh, di ba? Ayun, 2 minuto na nagpahinga. Laro ka na ulit. Lamang sunod ang malaki.
Once again, magandang hapon sa kanilang lahat. Kami nagagalak na makasalo kayo dito sa PBA Sunday. As you look at the first quarter single number.
1 out of 2 for Pure Foods. Itong Coca-Cola 1 out of 4.
Libong Miko Halili kasama si Bombastic Barry Pasqua. Kasama rin natin dito si Ginoong Paulo Trillo at binibining Miyaka Lim. Ang inyong Los Cuatros Fantasticos for the PBA on ABC. There was a loose ball foul.
Oo, Mark Pingris ang matatawagan doon, ano? Dahil, di ba, gusto niya sungkitin yung bola from behind.
1 minute having gone by in the second quarter. It's going to be automatic 2 points for Asi Taulava.
Kaya mas Taulava dun sa shooting area niya eh. Na hindi niya kailangan mag-dribble. Iikot na lang.
You just cannot put the giant right under a tree. Ubusin niya yung
Ubusin niya yung bunga.
mangga. Sumagot naman. Because it was Jonathan Salvador who allowed Asi to get that prime position. Binawi niya with that basket.
Pero maganda naman yung pasa nitong si Kerby Raimundo. Tignan mo yung pasa ni Kerby Raimundo. May trap dito kay Jonathan Salvador. Libre.
In fact, si Asi Taulava pa yung tinawagan ng foul. Only his first person. First team foul laban sa Coca-Cola. Score natin 28-19 in favor of Pure.
9-point lead bigla eh, no? At na magkakaagad yung lamang itong Pure Foods. And then, update lang naman ito para sa bahay ng Coca-Cola Tigers. So, yun talaga ang problema ng Coca-Cola eh, no? Maganda sila mag-i-start pag sabay si Taulava at si Tenan. Pero pag isa na upo, medyo nahihirapan eh.
Hilay.
Sabi nga ni ilang miyembro ng coaching staff, particular na si Boy Dix Victoria, sabi niya, one big man short talaga, being really dominant.
And that's why, Richard De Rosario's knocking on the doors of Coca-Cola. Sabi ng Coca-Cola, we'd rather be one big man short.
Okay na.
Okay na kami.
We'd rather take a short guy like Nico Halili than a big man like you. Yun yata sinabi eh. Hindi ba?
Behind closed doors. Interception by Jonathan Salvador, and that's going to be a foul in the backcourt by the over-enthusiastic Ronjay Bueno.
At Benafe, unang foul pa lamang ni Ronjay yan.
At yan ang pangalawa laban sa Coca-Cola. Meantime, ito may balita tayo from the Coca-Cola camp mula kay Paulo Trillo.
Nung last break, the team had an earful from Coach Binky Favis. Medyo mahina daw yung finishing kick nila nung first quarter. Ang sabi ni Coach Binky, their strength is not me. Sabi niya, us tayo ito. Us lahat. Tapos pinagsabihan niya yung mga players niya. Hindi niya pinupo kaagad sa bench na pinatayo niya. At sinabi niya, they have to play together and find a way to move the ball, not be tentative, go in and out. Guys,
Kasi hindi lang mahina yung finishing kick ng Coca-Cola. Hindi man umabot. Kaya po sila iniwan na
Sabi nga ni Coach eh, our strength is not me, but us, Asi. Ano ba sinabi?
As tayo.
Hindi Asi.
There's no I in us. Here's Lanete. Buenafe clears the rebound. Naghahabol po ang Coca-Cola Tigers dito. Arrigo is now in the ball game. Arrigo goes baseline. Kick out pass. Maunahan over the wide open Buenafe. He picks. He fires and misses.
At walang rebound dahil hindi bumaba si Asi Taulava that time.
Meantime, here's Simon. Umatake. That's his favorite move.
Pag bumiti na yan ng gano'n at hindi nakasabay kanyang defender, isa mo na.
And now it's an 11-point lead para sa Pure Foods. 32-21 with over 8 minutes to go in the second quarter. Timeout muna tayo. NBA action. Pure Foods po lamang dito. 32-21. Nagtatanghang lumayo. And I'd just like to make this a public service announcement on behalf of our good friend si Monchito Moses Giel, former team manager ng Pure Foods. He's calling on Mr. Sigfrido Perla Santiago or anyone who may know his whereabouts. Please contact Mr. Simon Moses Giel at cell phone number 0917-626-2952 or landline 806-5925. This is regarding a very urgent and important family matter that involves Jose Moses Giel Santiago. Please contact Mr. Moses Giel as soon as possible. First si Monchito Moses Giel,
One-time manager ng Pure Foods siya.
at Executive of the Year, PBA.
Well, makikita natin itong Pure Foods na points in the paint, 20 against 10. So, lamang doon ang Pure Foods. At bench scoring, 14 against 5. Kasi si Salvador, tsaka si Simon. Si Salvador. Kasasabi lang natin na si Salvador. Score na naman, ito si Salvador.
Salvador undersized but never underpowered. 7.5 to go in the second period. Lamang pa rin ang Pure Foods, 34-21. Top shot.